There she is.
Say hi to Kimberly. Say hi to Kimberly.
That's your little baby.
You gonna walk? Yep. Let's walk this way.
Give her her toy. She wants to get back in there with Mama. You gonna play with your toy? Mama's out there looking at you. Kiwi. Kiwi. Mama's out there looking at you, honey. She can't wait for you to get ready to go for home. You got a little ways to wait. And then you'll be going to your new home. You'll see your mama and all your other family members. Your name's gonna be Kiwi. She kind of understands it a little bit. We've been calling her that already. Come on, Kiwi. Kiwi. Oh, Kiwi, look over at the camera. There you go, girl. There's your mama watching you, honey. She wants to get a video of you. You'll make her feel better. You'll make your mama happy. She won't have the blues. Izzy, you gonna come over there and play with Kiwi? Come on, Izzy. Get over here and play with Kiwi. That's our babysitter. She plays with all the puppies. That ain't your mama, that's just the babysitter. Yeah, she's so cute. She's so cute, Kiwi. The other lady that bought her sister, her mother was wanting this one. I said, no, we already got her spoken for.
Watch out, Izzy.
That's Kiwi. Kiwi. Oh, pretty Kiwi. She's so pretty. What are you doing, Izzy? You silly girl? She playing up. She rolled over out by Kiwi. Yeah.